Hey, what are you looking at? Seriously, what is up with you humans? I get it, you really like cute little kitties, but that doesn't give you the right to invade my privacy. Now, what are you waiting for? Miraculous is over. Change the channel already.
Gloob.
I said change the channel.
Hey, Sass, want to see something really funny? Something funny, you say? Sure, why not? Ta-da! Cucumber?
Mmm, delicious cheese. So good.
That's a cucumber, not a snake.
Sass, what are you doing here?
So you think snakes look like cucumbers? Does that mean that I, too, look like a cucumber to you?
No, of course you don't. I mean, maybe?
I look nothing like a cucumber!
Ah! Don't kill me! I'm too handsome to die!